How to increase or decrease phone call ringtone volume on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on phone app. After click on phone app, click on this three dot icon and click on settings. Now in call settings, scroll down and click on call alerts and ringtone. After click on call alerts and ringtone, click on ringtone. So you will see ringtone volume is here. If you want to increase or decrease phone call ringtone volume, so if you want to increase ringtone volume, so you will increase ringtone volume from here. So you will increase ringtone volume from here. If you want to decrease ringtone volume, so decrease ringtone volume from here. So you will increase or decrease ringtone volume from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can increase or decrease phone calls ringtone volume on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.